Hello everyone, I am Suresh Machu, founder of Machu Clinic. So I am one of the member of American Academy of Micropigmentation. And as of now, we have treated 50,000 plus vitiligo clients successfully, and we have bring their actual skin color back. And in our treatment of nano micropigmentation, we have getting a 80 to 90% of the success rate, which none of the medicine industry as of now has provided. That is the success rate of our technique. And we are the only people providing this technique all over the world, and we would like to share this video as much as possible and spread this awareness. Let's get into the session. I am going to explain you live and each and every process step by step. Do watch this video completely. You will get a much more better idea regarding this treatment.